back to the wood shop. Got my dust mask on because I've been making a dusty mess emptying my dust collector. Every woodworker knows that dust collection is an important factor in the wood shop. We make a lot of dust and we want to try to keep it out of our lungs. So, and you may have seen one of these cyclone dust separators. They come in various sizes from huge down to about as small as this. I actually bought this blue bucket from Rockler. It had a different top on it with an inlet and an outlet port on top of it. And I'd used it for, I don't know, 3 years or something, maybe less. And one day the plastic top imploded. It just cracked and disintegrated. Not sure exactly how that happened. Maybe it was an overkill on the vacuum side, or if something got clogged, I'm not sure, but the top failed anyway. So I made a new top out of plywood, and there's another layer of plywood inside of this that I'm not going to show you because it's a pain to put back together, but it fits in there nicely. And then I attached this knockoff dust separator to it, and then ran PVC pipe to the inlet and outlet side so it would be at a lower center of gravity, so I could just pull this thing around the shop wherever I need to go. So this side hooks into the vacuum, and this side hooks into the dust hose with my various attachments. And it works really, really well. I probably have way too big of a vacuum cleaner that's running it, and it's one of the noisiest things in my shop. So I always had to use ear protection when I was using it. So to remedy that, I built this box around it with lined with carpet, and that really helps with the sound. So I can use the vacuum now without having to use hearing protection, which is a blessing. So, and I want to show you how well the dust separator works. I probably emptied this bucket when it gets up to the fill line here maybe 3 times in the last couple of years, and I have not changed this filter bag in the shop vac. This is the one I put in when I built this box and made that top. So, and as you can see down in here, the fine dust that's collected in this bag is way, way down toward the bottom, and I've got all this space in the bag to fill up yet. So it's going to take many, many buckets before I would ever fill that bag. Yeah, and it's kept this filter pretty clean. I think this dust that you see on there may have even been there before I put this whole thing together, when I had been using it without a filter bag. So that's just my quick video on my dust collection setup.